Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily change site language in your WordPress website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in the dashboard of your WordPress website and then just click here to settings. Right straight away you will get to general, and this is where you will have site language. And you can just choose the site language to whatever you want. Let's say I'm from Slovakia, so I'm going to change it, and let's click save changes. And voila, everything what can be translated is going to be in Slovak language. What I'm going to do, I will just change it to normal English one. And voila, here we got it. So this is it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support. So that's it. Thank you. See ya and goodbye.